Alright, so here we are unboxing the Pixel 8a. This is the 128GB version. Let's have a look inside. Oh, might not need that. There we go. Yeah, look at a fair bit smaller than the Pixel 8 Pro, which you can see there. But still, it's a nice design. I like this colour. It's kind of like a off-white. Feels kind of like bone. I guess this is pearl, maybe. Okay, I'm happy with the cable thickness. Doesn't feel like a flimsy cable. And it looks like I might have a decent length to it too, actually. Oh no, spoke too soon. What's that, 70, 80 centimeters maybe? Bit disappointing, not the end of the world, but this is a bit disappointing. It's interesting. Comes in very handy, these things. And then a little booklet with some basic instructions, very, very basic instructions. So no QR code or anything like that to jump through to, but then maybe you don't need to with a phone as much as some other products. There we go. And that's it. That's what you can find in the box of the Pixel 8a.